Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to your daily Loom update. This will probably be the last update because I very much doubt that a lot of people will want to watch Loom anymore after this. Perhaps it will still catch some sort of a rally in next week. I do expect that, but for now, Loom just looks very bearish. All right, so we'll do a full update. I'll tell you what to expect. I'll tell you what happened. And hopefully in the end you're optimally prepared to not lose money on this and perhaps even gain a little bit. Even though I do think, just to start off this video, there's money to be made for sure, but I do think that most of the money that you could have made from this has already been made. All right. All right, onto Loom. So first things first, this was a huge manipulation. All right, the price going up from 5 cents all the way up to 40 cents with no news is a clear sign of manipulation. And then apart from that, what you could have also seen, most of you know this, but the volume was super high and most of it is coming from Bybit, which usually indicates it is manipulated. All right, so that is what happened. And that's also why most of you and I expected this crash. I think yesterday or the day before we said that if 25 cents broke, it was over, which it broke on Monday or Tuesday, I think. On Tuesday, and then it was over. All right. So then the big question is well, why is it bleeding like this? Like there's no support, even from this major support level at 17.5 cents. There's no support. So what's happening? I think I do know. All right. And I also see that in my own communities is that a lot of people in the free Telegram group, etc., are trading Loom and are buying it at pretty high levels. And what you get then is this, all right? This is the liquidation heat map of Loom. And you can see that basically after it broke through 0.3 cents right here, you can see that every time that the price is falling, you have these very small, can I zoom in a bit? Yeah, you have these very small green and yellow areas below the price. Those are liquidation levels, and you keep having them below the price, like here as well. Like when it broke through that major support level around 17 cents, you keep having those levels below the price, which means that people are buying it with a huge position size compared to their account size, which is usually retail or at least inexperienced traders with a closed liquidation area that they buy it. They think, all right, it has dropped down so much, it has to go up. But then they realize it's going lower, so they close their positions. So what you get then is a lot of people go long and they have to very quickly close it again, which sells the underlying asset. All right, so then you get this huge long squeeze. That's what it is. And who's making money? The manipulators. All right, that's the situation right now, and at this moment, there's absolutely no sign that that Loom will be bullish all of a sudden. All right, it's finding some support right here. I mean, 10 cents is coming up, which is a major support, of course. So that might provide some support. And what we've also always seen with manipulated rallies like these is that at some point of time, it will probably spike up. But at this point of time, there's no I don't believe there's any indication of that. Like there's no potential of a big short squeeze right now. I mean, there could be. This is the first time that we actually have some liquidation, like long or short liquidation areas close around 12.5 cents, which is also a key level. But then again, like if you take a look at Loom right here, you can see that the open interest is still not growing. So there's still no momentum. So I would say there's no chance that Loom will rally right now. I mean, at some point of time, I expect a second rally, but for now we have to assume that it's going to drop down lower towards levels around 10 cents. And then eventually I think it will drop down towards 8.5 and 7 cents. That's my expectation. I think before it drops down to 7 cents, at some point of time, it will still rally a bit, but like I said, I mean, it will. The best it can do is get back up to the 382 fib, which is around 22 and 20 cents, but I don't expect that. All right, I think it's more likely that it will rally up to like 17, 18 cents. And like I said, there's no indication of that right now. So if Loom gets some sort of a bullish breakout above like 13 or 13.5 cents, all right, then it's possible. But like I said, this is not the situation right now. If that comes up, then you should be prepared for some sort of a second rally. For now, it's still most likely that it will drop down. So that's my take on Loom. If you want to have access to all of my trades and also to an amazing community of traders that also trade Loom, and they actually did make quite a lot of money, I know, then consider joining the premium group. All of my trades are in there. Like I said, a community full of traders, my trading guide. If that sounds interesting, consider joining. Links will be down in the description. But for now, thank you for watching and take care. Bye.